You can get a little idea from these pictures right here. And what's going to be happening is this is a mass marriage renewal ceremony. They're expecting as many as 750 people. We caught up with two of the people that are going to be out here, and this is a marriage that almost really didn't happen. This is Benita and Greg Jackson. Now, they originally met in 2005, but she really didn't want to have very much to do with him. She just thought of him as a friend, and it took 3 years of persistence before they finally got married. But after they got married, they've been happily married for the last 5 years, and they said that they want to come out here because this is something that they think of just about every day.
I love this man. If you ask him, he'll tell you. I ask him to marry me all the time. I'm like, baby, will you marry me? He's like, yeah, I'll marry you again. I'm like, hey.
Here's how this is going to work if you want to participate in Love in the Hills. It's going to start with the actual mass renewal of vows. That's going to be at 5 o'clock. If you want to come out here, though, you need to register. You can register online. You can do that anytime throughout the day, or you can actually come out to Fountain Hills Park at 4 o'clock and register. It is free. Parking is free. They're just encouraging everybody to go ahead and come out. They're trying to break the record. The record is around 1,100. They had 700 last year, so they're trying to just build it up and get as close as they possibly can. Again, the marriage ceremony, though, that's going to be at 5 o'clock. Back to you.